Morning, guys. Probably afternoon where y'all live. Almost 11 here. You guys haven't seen my cliffs in a couple of months. My swimming pool down there, all full of water. Last time I was down here, I saw 2 or 3 Honu sea turtles. See if I see one popping his head up. I'll try to catch him for you. I mean, not catch him, but video him. Look how clear it is today, guys. Oh my God. Oh, there's one little bitty cloud above us. That's it. Nothing else. So clear today. Clear and sunshiny in Hawaii. 78, 80 degrees with a nice ocean breeze. Oh, you poor guys on the mainland is dying with the heat, huh? 118 in Las Vegas at 9 o'clock at night. 112 degrees in Texas, 9 o'clock at night. Not as hot in Denver. Come on, Honus, let me see you. Pop your head up. What's that over there? Oh, that's a rock. Get a little closer, maybe they'll swim over here toward the rocks. Come on, Honu. Honu. I was actually on the other side of that 4-story house, Kahakai Park, over there on the cliffs over there, and it was pretty swelly, and there was a swell coming in. There was a fish at the top of the swell, was just swimming with the swell, and then when it crashed, he turned around and went back out, and then he came back on the next swell up at the top of the water. I have never ever seen that in my life before. That was crazy fish. Oh, there's a Honu. I saw him. Looks like a baby Honu. Where'd you go? He'll come back up. He was right there. Looks like a baby Honu, baby turtle. You gonna come back up and get another breath? Where'd you go? If I zoom in my pixels, even though I got 5 cameras on this phone, I should bring my camcorder out here and I can zoom in on them and it wouldn't mess up the pixels at all. Where'd you go, little baby Honu? I saw you come up. He'll come up again. Of course, if I turn my camera the other way, oh, we're going away from you. We're not looking at you. Where you at? My camera's not looking, but I am. I don't see him. You can't hold your breath forever. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can see the peninsula out there in the distance. Go around that corner. Oh, sorry. Go around that corner and you come into Hilo Bay. Hello, Monarch. Hello, Monarch. Had a McDonald's burger. I think I swallowed it wrong. Hey, don't you give me, Monarch? I don't see no boats out today. I guess the fishermen are taking the weekend off. Yeah, look how clear it is. Oh my God. Oh, there's a boat. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. That's a pretty big boat. There we go. Yeah, where'd he go? He's on the horizon. Right above that rock. Yeah, I got him. I got him. That's a big boat. That's a big boat. Yeah, you need something bigger than that for me to go out there. Because like I always say, me and sharks have an agreement. I don't go to their neighborhood, they don't come to mine. Alright guys, have a good day. We'll see you soon. I got some videos coming up in 4 or 5 days. I'm going to have a bunch of videos coming up. Alright guys, later.